y'all be great. Make sure y'all accomplish some goals. You want to focus on your goals, make a vision board. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Those who are just tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you check out my first YouTube video. Link is up above, somewhere there, and down below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. So today we're going to make a vision board. I want us to make a vision board together. So for this vision board, I'm gonna make it for 2020. I know we're in the middle of the year. It's been a crappy year, guys. Like,
to say the least, it's been a crappy year.
But I think it's just a great way to remind ourselves what the goals and dreams are for ourselves. Those who may not know, a vision board is basically a tool to help you visualize your goals and your dreams, things that you want out of life, things you want to accomplish. That tool will just help you remind you that this is the things that I want out of life and this is what I'm working towards. So the vision board will have images, quotes, pictures, anything that represents your goals and dreams. I typically would do a traditional way. Traditionally, you would go out and buy materials such as a poster board, glue or tape, a whole bunch of magazines, and I guess nowadays you can print out images and quotes from the internet. You will cut out the images and quotes that you need and you will paste it onto the board. After that, you'll put that poster board on your wall or put it in a place where you'll always see it. Now, the reason why I like the digital vision board is because it's a lot easier to use. You don't have to worry about buying the materials. You can recreate that vision board for the next year. Say that I finished some of my goals for 2020 and for 2021, I still have some of the goals on my 2020 vision board that I want to bring into 2021. I can easily manipulate that vision board as far as removing the goals that I've accomplished, and then I can add more goals for 2021. It's just much simpler to have on your phone as a wallpaper or your laptop as a wallpaper. That way you'll have that constant reminder of what your goals are and what you can or what you want to accomplish in life. Also, you can have that digital copy and take it to either Staples or Office Depot and get it printed out. Buy yourself a frame and put it on your wall. You could put it in your office, or you can have that same traditional feeling if you want. So yeah, let's get into it. First and foremost, you want to make sure you write down all of your goals and all of your dreams. It could be in Word or you could just write it down on a piece of paper. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Next, I will go to Pinterest and Google for the images that I want to represent my dreams and goals. Okay guys, so I downloaded my images and quotes that I needed for my vision board, and I saved it to a folder that I created for it. So I'm going to quickly show you guys where I went and how I saved it, and then we'll get into making the vision board. So I went to Pinterest, and I also used Google for the images I couldn't find in Pinterest. And simply all you have to do is type in one of your goals, and one of my goals is to travel. I know for this year it may not be very realistic right now, but I still want to put it on my board. So I'm going to type in travel the world, and I'm going to use one of their suggestions listed here. I'm going to go to travel the world quotes, and then you'll just find the image that speaks out to you, or you think you can visualize and it represents one of your goals or dreams. So I'm going to choose this image here, and all you have to do is click the button down below with the 3 dots and click download image. Now doing it that way, it does save to your downloads folder. In order to save it to the folder with to the folder that you created, you can right click the image and then click save image as. And then you can either change the title if you want. If you don't have to. I'm just going to change the name, and then you'll save. And then that way it's all in your folder in one place. So after you finish finding all of your images and quotes for your vision board, we're going to go to Canva, and there are two ways you can create your vision board. You can search for desktop wallpaper, and that will give you a landscape orientation wallpaper, or you can search for phone wallpaper, and that will give you a portrait size wallpaper. So it all depends on what kind of wallpaper you want. Personally, I like the desktop wallpaper, so we're going to start with that, or I'm going to work with that. And that's only because I feel like you have a lot more space. But either way, you can send that to your phone and set it as your background. So I just went to the blank document, and then you go to upload, and then you'll go to upload an image or video, and then you'll just add all of your images to Canva. And now I think they have a limit as far as I think 20 or 30 images at one time. But once you're finished with that batch, you can upload more after that. So since I have my images already, I didn't add any more. But all you have to do once it's all uploaded, you can just click each image that you want on your vision board. So I'm gonna just start with a couple, and what I like to do is just categorize all of my images. So all of my travel images or quotes that I have, I like to put them together just to see what I have, because sometimes you may pick a lot of images and you may not need all of them. So it's a good way to start off your vision board, but you do not have to start it off this way. So what I'm doing is just resizing them just so I can see them all, and just grouping them. Now I did want to show you that you can crop in Canva. You don't have to worry about cropping it beforehand. There's three ways to do it. You can either click the crop button up top here and then crop, or you can double click and then crop, or also you can just simply just resize it in a way, I guess. It has to be in the middle. But those are the three ways you can crop your images in Canva. So I'm gonna also tell you that when you want to, I guess, you see this online business photo, it is under this other photo here. If I want this photo to go on top, I would have to click the position button up top here and then click forward. And then it's vice versa. If I want this image to be below or behind this other image, you can click backwards. So that's one way you can rearrange if you like to keep your pictures on top of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange this in a way, and then I'll show you what I've come up with. Okay guys, so this is my finished product somewhat. I may readjust it again, but this is what I've come up so far, and I wanted to show you guys how to get rid of the spaces you may want to get rid of. So you can add elements to your vision board, such as like I like to use hearts just to make it look more pretty. You don't have to use hearts. You can use maybe aircrafts, like if you want to travel like I do, or you can use random shapes or random stickers. It does not matter. You can use whatever you want. I'm gonna use hearts, and what you can do is type in the icon or shape that you want, and I'm gonna type in hearts here. And then there's so many different options you can choose from. Some are free and some are with the subscription, but there are many free options that you can choose from, so you do not have to pay. And I am going to go ahead and choose my favorite one. I don't know if I want pink right now. I think I may change the color. Actually, I'm gonna keep this pink. So I'm gonna add a few here. Okay, so I do have this one space I'm not sure what to do with right now. You also can add text to your vision board. I know I have a lot of text on mine, but you can add a heading, and then maybe for here I can say workout, or I'll say fitness. And then you can change the color because you can't see it right now. And with Canva, they do pull the colors off your background and give you colors that you can use for your words, for your text. So if I'm gonna put it over here, well, it will be for sure in the white spot. So I would probably make it black, to be honest, but I want to show you guys how you can figure it out. So with this image here, let's see what colors they give me. So they give me gray, black obviously, another gray, brown, and another brown. So I would probably just keep it black, or maybe even pink. Yeah, I actually would choose pink. So let me see if I can find the color I use for the hearts. Yep, perfect. And I would probably move this heart over here now. And then that way you kind of have something. I don't know. I'll probably keep playing around with it to make sure it looks good. But so far I like it. So once you're done with this, you can, I already changed my name for it, but you can change your name up here to Vision Board 2020, wherever you please. And then you can download, click the download button here. And then PNG is always suggested, so you can leave it as is. And then click download. So now once this downloads, you can, I'm gonna minimize this and this, and all you have to do is right click, change background, desktop background. And then if you do not have your folder here listed, you can click the plus sign here, plus sign, and then go to where your vision board was saved. So I have my vision board here already, or my folder here already. And then you'll click that vision board. You do have the edges cropped out or cut off. So you'll click this drop down menu here and click fit to screen. And you do have an option to change like the color of the background. So
I may change it to black. Or maybe keep it blue or pink, or maybe this color. That's fine. It's not a big deal. And yeah, that is how you save your background, your vision board as your background. So thanks for watching, and I will show you guys how to send it to your phone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to save the vision board that we just did onto your phone and then resize it. That way you can see your entire vision board on your phone lock screen. So we're going to go into the Canva app. And then you're going to go to designs at the bottom here. And then you're going to click your vision board. After you click your vision board, you can go up top here, the third icon here, you'll click that to download. And then we're going to go into the app called InShot, the second one here in the first row. And then you're going to click photo. You're going to click that photo we just saved. And then you're going to go to canvas and then zoom out. Now, sometimes this zoom out is okay and you don't have to pinch it out any or pinch it any more for it to fit on your background, but I'm gonna pinch it out just a little bit more, or pinch it in, however you say it, just a little bit. That way I don't have to come back to the app to readjust. So then you'll click save at the top here, and then you'll go to photos, you'll pick your last image. You'll click this button down here in the bottom left, and then you'll go to use as wallpaper. And see, I really didn't have to adjust that much, but as you can see, I'm gonna set it as lock screen. As you can see, if it was nice, yeah, if it was the foam wallpaper, you would be able to see it a little bit better because it's actually fitted the portrait size for the phone. So you can do it that way instead of the desktop, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can do it and what app to use to make sure that it fit on your screen. So that is it for today. I hope you guys made some good vision boards. If you want, you can share below. Let me know your goals, talk to me. If you don't, that is okay, because I do understand it can be personal. So y'all do you. Just talk to me. Let me know what else you would like to see. Hope y'all have a good day and just be great out there in the world. Make sure y'all accomplish the things y'all want to do and keep pushing, because I gotta keep pushing, so y'all gotta keep pushing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications so you can see this face again. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Okay, I'm done. Anytime I want to record, they want to cut the grass. And that's literally all the time. So usually what a traditional vision board looks like is, yeah, it's falling apart already. This is about maybe like whoa, definitely. Can y'all see it? See, it's falling apart. This was like 3 years ago, like 2017, I think. And look what it has done. It was on my wall at one point, and it looked like this, or maybe